Hello everyone, welcome back. Still on the mini neon, obviously. Yeah, I've already been doing some stuff this morning which I haven't filmed, so I'll just show you what I've been up to. I still haven't welded in that piece down in there yet, but I will get to that. It's all cut and ready to go in anyway. But what I've been doing is I've cut the wing off. I was going to try and save it because it's actually not that bad a wing, but I give up on that and it's all carved up now. But I've got a pair of new old wings in the other garage, so but they haven't got the indicators on because they're earlier ones, so I've cut this piece off here so I can use that as a template to put the indicator back in. But I've got all of this cut out, and as you can see it's actually not that bad. I know there's a hole there, but yeah, so I've been cutting. I've cut the panel, which is what I'm still doing, because the lip on this has gone as well, and obviously I need to tie it all in at the bottom. So I'm only going to put it in up to there because there's like a strengthener here, or the inner, what do you call it, sort of the inner A post is there, so we can tie it into that rather than putting the whole panel in, which we don't need. Plus this panel, the swage on here is the wrong way because that comes out and on here it goes in, so I need to try and reverse that to neaten that up. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing at the moment. So I need to find all of the spot welds on here, which is going to be fun, and then get the rest of that off and then get that on. I will film a bit of it, but I'm going to get this off first. I think it's a bit long and monotonous watching me cutting stuff out, so I'm not going to film any of that, but I'll be back in a sec. Actually, before I continue to cut that out, I did buy some corner repairs which are a bit rubbish, as we all know, but I'm not going to be using all of it. I've already cut the top bit off to see how it sort of will line up, but I'm probably only going to use that much of it, this lower part, and just stitch that in and repair it, because it under the screen's actually pretty good, so it's all good metal up in here, so there's no point in replacing the whole lot, and I should do the same the other side when I get to that as well. Right, anyway, let's get this off. Right, so I removed that lip. That wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be, because basically it was so pitted that I could hardly see any of the spot welds. I can't even see where the bit of metal is now. Is that it? No, that's not it. I don't know. It's disappeared. Anyway, I've got this clamped up in a minute, so I'm just going to cut down and round it, and then take it all off and clean everything up, get some weld through primer on the inside, and then get it welded in. So yeah, and all that piece, like I said, but it doesn't need altering that much, so we should be okay, hopefully. Right, cool. Right, so that's that all cut out now. Actually it's not, I've still got to take that bit out, but all up the top, all the awkward bit where this A-pillar closing panel is quite awkward, because you got stitch welds. You got a stitch weld there, and then there's like a couple of little ones, but they're only like sort of more spot stitch welds. But it's quite handy having that little thing there with a little cutting disc on it to get in there. The rear wiring loom up out the way, because that's quite near to there, so obviously you don't want to be hitting that. But yeah, so that's that bit cut out of there now. So get that last piece out, and then give all of this a good old clean up, and yeah, that definitely escalated though. That didn't look too bad. Now it looks horrendous, but there you go. As you can see, it's all going to be stitched in there nice and strong now. Cool. Proper repair. Right, so that's all cleaned up now. I still haven't put the weld through primer on yet, but it took me a lot longer to get this set up nicely than what I'd have hoped, but that's me all over. But yeah, I think that's going to be just the job. I'm still contemplating whether just to cut a little bit out of there, just put a little bit in there, but I'm not sure yet. Alright, let's get some weld through primer on anyway. There you go, a bit of primer on the inside of that, and all up on the inside of there. I will mask this up once it's dry, all around these edges, and put something up in there. But that's lasted a pretty long time without it so far. I need to make a piece up in there as well, but I'll do that once I've got this in. Get in there. Right, so that's all fitted in there now, ready to be welded. Got a bit of a bigger gap there than what I would have liked, but that'd be fine. I can fill that up. But yeah, it's all good. Right, yeah, I'll stick it on a bit of a time lapse because that's probably going to be about all I'm going to get done today. It's taken me ages to get that set up in there. It's always the prep work that takes the time, not so much the welding. Right, so I switched the camera off there when I started doing all the bits underneath. I've still got a couple of bits to finish off on it. Actually, I've missed a couple of little bits there as well. But yeah, it's all pretty much in there now. It's a bit thin out there, but it's all good. I think I'll put some like rust treatment and stuff up in there. Just a bit of belt and braces. Got a couple of pinholes here to fill in, but yeah, I don't know whether you better see underneath. Let's get a light. So that's all plugged all the way along under there. I've still got to weld it there. I might just do that with spot welder though. I might not. I might plug weld it on the end. And also, it's a bit dark in here, but a few plug welds. Got a bit to finish off there. I did put some stitches in down there as well. Welded that top closing panel piece back in up the top there, so that's all sorted. And I didn't burn the wiring loom, so that's good. Alright, yeah, so I think that's going to be about it for today. So if you made it this far, well done. It's all a bits and pieces today, but yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, and if you want to see more, leave us a message if you like it or hate it or whatever, and I will catch you all again soon. See ya.